On Sunday, 19th of August 2018, MOTAT celebrated the restoration of F180 Meg Merrilies. Pulling into Waititiko Station shortly after 12 p.m, crowds had gathered for speeches and cutting of the ribbon and cake before taking passengers on her first post-restoration run. This F-Class locomotive was built by the Yorkshire Engine Company in Sheffield, England in 1874 and shipped to New Zealand and assembled in Wanganui in 1875, where she worked for around 90 years. In 1932, she was almost scrapped, but saved by the East Town Railway workshops, which kept her in service on shunting duties until being donated to MOTAT in 1965. Meg was on static display until the early 1980s when restoration began, and after more than 30 years of hard work, she's back in steam.